Indonesia was a bygone region by the Pacific and the Mediterranean communities that are causing the number of volcanoes chart active. It is not surprising that Indonesia will erupt almost every year. Eruption is the volcanic release of materials such as lava, gas, ash, and so forth into the Earth's atmosphere or to the Earth's surface in uncertain numbers. Volcanic eruption occur because of the movement or activity of magma from inside the earth trying to escape to the surface. Before the eruption occurs, usually some adjacent areas that where the mountain gets hot enough, then it is not uncommon to hear volcanic tremors that can be felt in some areas. A recent example of this case is the eruption of Mount Semeru.
Mount Semeru is a cone volcano in East Java, Indonesia. Mount Semeru is the highest on the island of Java, with its peak of Mahameru 3,676 meters from sea level (mdpl). The Semeru volcano erupts on Saturday, 16 January 2021 at 17:24 p.m. The eruption it was recorded on a seismogram with amplitude maximum 22 mm and roughly one duration 11 minutes and 27 seconds. The hot air blast of Mount Semeru has a launch distance of 4 kilometers, crashing to the southwest crashing and runs from 17:24 p.m. to 18:35 p.m.
And according to the Centers for Volcanology and Disaster Mitigation and Geology (VPMBG), the hot cold blast (APG) has been around since January 1st, 2021. While we may be facing an eruption with a heat wave of up to 4 kilometers, the state of Mount Semeru has remained level 2 alert.
January 16. Mount Semeru to launching a lava blast from 500 to 1000 meters from Jongring Seleko crater to Kobu Boy. This triggered a rain in 5 sub-districts in Lumajang, Regency, East Java. PVMBG also encourages that the potential danger of eruption with Semeru will be that of condensate rock ejecting around the top, while ash ejecting material can be spread further between the direction and wind speed. Then, potential others threat include blast clouds and rocks from the dome or tip of the lava talk to secton southeast and south of summit. When there's rain, it can be a cool lava and long upstream river at the top of Semeru.
The impact caused by eruption of Semeru Mountain is very dangerous. Therefore, community visitors or travelers are urged not to activity with 1 mile from summit of Mount Semeru and 4 clicks to the crater in the southeast sector. In addition, people were asked to keep close watch on the streaming clouds of guguran, lava along the way a river, or falling upstream on the top of Mount Semeru. Danger radius and distance in the recommendation it will be also evaluated constantly in anticipation if there are any signs of change in the threat of eruption of Mount Semeru.